trouble in losing your body fat? Is it that a slightest deviation from your diet can lead to weight gain? Or are you someone who can eat all day long and not even gain a single ounce? Well, it has to do something with your body type. But is it that simple? Let's find out. A body type, or also known as somatotype, refers to the idea of the three generalized body compositions a person is predetermined to have. The three somatotypes are ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph. A simple observation of your body type will help you in quickly understanding the physiological situations of your body, and thus you will be able to address it in a more effective manner. So let us first talk about the endomorphs. These have stockier body structures along with a larger midsection and hip and fat distributed throughout the body. They are known as soft gainers. Why is that so? Because it is difficult for them to lose fat but easy for them to gain, and that is because of their very slow metabolism. That could happen due to sedentary lifestyle or any chronic condition like diabetes or thyroid deficiency, and also an imbalance in their energy. Their energy expenditure is not as much as the intake, and that is why their diet has to be low in carbs and fats and high in protein so that they have muscle building, and they also have to include a lot of vegetables and fruits and include a lot of fluids as well. Now let's talk about the mesomorphic body type. These have medium bone structure with their shoulders being wider as compared to their hips. They have an athletic musculature and an efficient metabolism. So this lies in the middle of endomorph and ectomorph. They have the tendency to gain mass and lose mass at the same time with the same amount of ease, and their diet has to consist of carbohydrates during the day but a reduced composition of carbohydrates during the night. They can have plenty of protein and fats, healthy fats in their diet. They need to consume a lot of fruits and vegetables, of course, and include plenty of fluids too. Now to talk about the ectomorphs. These are known as the heart gainers, exactly the opposite of endomorphs. They have difficulty in gaining weight because their metabolism is so high that they are not able to gain any fat or any muscle mass, and that is why they have a very narrow shoulder and hip as respect to their height and relatively smaller mass with respect to their bone length. They look very lean and weak, and their BMI is equal to or lower than 17, which is not good on a long term basis. And this is also an indicative of a disorder, that is a eating disorder like anorexia or bulimia. So the diet for them should be rich in carbohydrates, complex carbohydrates to be precise, along with plenty of protein and good fat. And obviously, vitamins and minerals and fluid intake is also equally important for them. We need to analyze the body type each person has and only then craft a solution for them so that is effective for them. A person who is an endomorph cannot follow the diet of a mesomorph or an ectomorph. It is obviously varying. The composition of your macros will vary, so that is why it is very important step in understanding the kind of body type you have so that you will be able to effectively give yourself the results that you require. We know that diet and exercise go hand in hand. So just how your diet is influenced by the kind of body type you have, in the same way your body type determines the kind of exercise that you should be doing. So if you have an endomorphic body type, you should be doing high intensity exercises because you need to lose your fat and also boost your metabolism. For someone who has ectomorphic body type, they will be wanting to gain their muscles. So doing an high intensity exercise will not help in doing that. You need to do weightlifting, you need to do strength training, resistance exercises so that you are able to gain muscles. You cannot deny the fact that people who have mesomorphic body types have their lives more sorted and it is easier for them. But even then, the kind of diet that they follow is dependent on their fitness goals. And before we come to an end to today's episode, I want you to know that your body type is not a life sentence. It is not that if you're born with a certain body type, you are going to have that same body type throughout your life. People who are very lean initially turn out to be very fat in the later stage of their life, or people who are very fat initially, they turn out to be lean. So your body type can change depending on the kind of lifestyle you have, the kind of dietary habits you choose for yourself. So be wise enough, understand your body, your requirements, and then act accordingly. I will see you all next Sunday. I hope today's video was informative. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you all next time. Until then, love, invest, find yourself, and enjoy.